Hey everyone, welcome back. So in today's video, we are going to learn about dictionaries, right? So what are dictionaries? So talking in terms of a general way, right? So let us say you came across a new word and you want to search the meaning of it, right? So you go into the market, buy a dictionary and you search about the word about it, right? So basically you search for the key and you get a value pair of it, right? So just like that, we have dictionaries in Python, which we have a key and we have a value stored of it, all right? So we can see a general example for it. So let us create a new file and let me name as dict.py and let us create a new dictionary. So in order to create a dictionary, the syntax would be something like this, okay? And let us say you are going to store the value of alpha, and in order to save the value of it, you can do something like this. This is alpha, okay? And now we are going to save multiple values, that is beta, and the value for beta would be this is beta, and the last one would be gamma, okay? You can play along with this. All right, okay, so right, this is gamma. Okay, so these are the three values which we have stored in the list. All right, now in order to print this particular stuff, what are we supposed to do? Just type print and type the name of the variable in which all the values has been stored. And now when I run this program, you can see all the values have been printed over the console. Okay, now, in order to refer the value stored in a particular stub, what are we supposed to do? We are just supposed to write print dict and then the value, that is alpha. So I'm supposed to do something like that, that I want to search the value of the uh, thing which has been stored in alpha. Okay. So what my outcome should be, it should print the value stored in alpha. So when I execute this particular stuff, it will display this is alpha. And when I replace alpha by beta, it will display the value stored in beta. All right. Now, what if I do something like this? Like I mentioned that indexing in Python starts from 0. So does it follow here? Let us see. It will throw an error. Definitely, it will throw an error. Why? Because it will say that 0 is something which you haven't defined. Then how am I supposed to display it over the console, right? Now, what if I've done something like this? Um, like this thing. Okay. Now, what if I've done something like this 0 and then the value would be this is 0. And now when I execute the program, it will find the value of 0 and then display the value. Okay, so it is just like a key and a value pair. If you want to learn more about dictionaries, you can go over the web and you can find this particular stuff here. All the information about dictionaries are being stored, right? You can definitely go through this documentation and you can know more about it. All right, thank you and have a great day. Bye bye.